Hey guys, this is Eileen. Oh my god, my hand is a canvas. Ignore that. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this gorgeous Navami night makeup look if you're particularly going out with your girlfriends or if you're going out with your friends as well. So this is basically a look which is very party, very western kind of a look. So this is for those who are comfortable wearing western outfits more, particularly on Pujo days as well. And if you are loving how this is looking, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't know me yet, I'm Eileen Rai Chaudhary. I'm a beauty blogger and a beauty vlogger as well. So if you haven't yet seen any of my videos till now, then please do. And without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, so we will first start with the moisturizer, and as you can see, I've already fucked up my brows really bad. And it is one of those days where I am never proud of my brows, but today I'm super annoyed with them because I didn't put in that much effort which I generally do. I tried to hurry up things and it turned out really bad, but that is okay. We will figure it out, and if it doesn't, we'll have to make this work. So without any further ado, let's jump into this. So let's start with the moisturizer, and we'll start with Nivea Soft Moisturizer. And it is a beautiful moisturizer, although I've almost run out of it. So it is great under makeup, as you know, because it instantly absorbs and it is not sticky. It is very gentle on your skin. So I've already primed my eyelids, but we will do our face first because today we are not going for very hefty eye makeup. So we are done with the moisturizer. Something got wrong with my chain and I didn't even know that, so thank god I've already fixed it up. It'll mess up again. So this moisturizer is done. We'll start with the foundation. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 332. So it is almost winter and this is my summer shade, and this is a shade darker than mine, but it looks amazing on camera. It looks way more amazing in person. So as I was saying, this is actually my summer shade. I try to go a shade deeper in the summer because that looks gorgeous on the skin and it gives the skin a natural tan feeling, because for my undertone, this looks amazing as a tan foundation. So as you can see that the foundation is already done. So let us go with the concealer. And for concealer, first I'm gonna use this Insight Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. It gives a very natural finish under your eyes, and it is medium to full coverage. It is buildable in nature. So this is a good concealer if you're going for under eyes. And then I will blend it with my fingers because then it blends easier and takes less time. And as you can see, it already kind of corrected some of my under eyes because that was scary dark, and that was the purpose of this concealer. Now we will want a bit more coverage. So for that, I'm gonna go in with this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Cover up to here. And I'm going to take a powder puff and gently blend this in with my skin. So after we are done with the powder puff, I'm going to set this in with a compact. For compact, I'm going to go in with this LE18 compact. Take this puff, swirl it around, and gently under my eyes I'm gonna pat this in. This way you will pick up more product without caking it up. And I'm gonna lightly set this in. For bronzer, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette, and I'm gonna use up this shade for my bronzer. So I'm gonna use some nose contour as well. With the same bronzer. I'm gonna pick up an eyeshadow. My god, this is all the guys. This is what happens when you don't clean your brushes on time.
I'm gonna use the same bronzing shade for my eyeshadow.
Onto my eyelids and roughly blending it in. So what we are gonna do is, right now, I'm gonna take a pencil brush.
From the same palette, I'm gonna take this black shade.
And it doesn't have to be all that clean, because we are not planning for something clean.
I'm gonna blend that black shade with this chocolate brown shade.
Smudge that in. Cover up that eyelid. So you can see I've already blended it in. The black, the chocolate brown and the bronzing shade. As you can see, it looks very sexy in the evening. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take that same black shade. Put it up till my lash line. That big pencil brush, take on to that bronzing shade and gently try to smoke her in. So after we are done with this, I'm gonna put on some liner. And Lakme Insta Liner, very liquidy. Don't use it if you don't like, if you're not patient enough. I use it because it is affordable and it gives a good black coverage, but it is too much for my patience. This looks good. I am happy with this liner. Okay, so let us go with the blush now. So this is the Love Flush blush from Mars. It is a long-lasting 16-hour wash. It is a long-lasting 16-hour blush wardrobe, and when you open it, it looks somewhat, like this. The mirror quality is not that good. It retails for only it retails for 350. Okay, and you got this beautiful blush shade. So for this look, I want to go in with more bronzy kind of a blush, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called How Deep Is Your Love, and I'm gonna take that in a blush. We are done with the blush and the contour and too much of blush, and eyes look pretty good. So after we are done with the eyes, I'm gonna go with the highlighter. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Soft X palette.
From the Makeup Revolution X Soft palette, I'm gonna use this shade for my highlighter.
This looks pretty. And I'm gonna go in finally with this Lakme Forever Matte in the shade 19, which is New Twist. Will go good with this look. It gives a beautiful satin matte finish, as you can see. So guys, this is the final look, and okay guys, so this is the final look, and if you're happy with how this all turned out, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye guys.